know what time it is, bro. You know what time it is. And today we got Soso, bro. Sosocamo, dog. Yo, this brew's instrumentals are biblical, bro. Like, I don't know what his producers be smoking when they making these beats. I don't know what they be smoking when they making these beats, bro. I'm gonna keep it above. I'm about to cook it, about to shout it. And yeah, let's get to it, bro. Let's get to it. All right, chat. Look, I don't smoke, but imagine me smoking right now before I make this beat, bro. Okay, I don't even know how to smoke, bro. But just imagine me doing it, bro, because I need some type of substance, bro, to make this thing, bro. Bro, let's go. I just added like a few of these for the part 2. Don't fight with me, boy. Don't fight with me, boy, because I'm trying, bro. Another 3. I'm trying to get it to hit as hard as possible. that's about it, bro. That's generally about it, bro. Like what I've noticed that you need to know your place in the chessboard. You know, in every situation, you need to know your place in the chessboard. You know what I mean? You have a very clear understanding of who you are, where you are, and what you can and what you can't do at all times. You know what I mean? You have to be very conscious about these things because sometimes the opportunity might present itself if you play your cards right. You don't even have to ask for the opportunity; it will just come to you if you just lay your cards right. If you know who you are and just move the way that you're supposed to move. Of course, you can do whatever you want at the end of the day. I'm not your dad, but I'm just saying, like, if you really wanna handle situations better, even in life in general, just knowing who you are, what you can